Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install mud flaps on a Tesla Model Y. So we finally took delivery of our 2022 Model Y that we ordered summer of 2021, and it finally came May of 22. We went with the white interior, 5-seater configuration, 20-inch induction wheels, and got full self-driving, locked in at that lower price of $10,000 instead of $12,000 where it's at today. And I was going to PPF, paint protection film, the entire car, kind of like the Plaid. You can see here I went with the Stealth PPF and the Plaid, but from the Model Y I wasn't sure if we're going to be keeping it, and with resale the PPF just didn't make sense with me. So we just went with some mud flaps here to prevent any scratches from rocks being thrown up while driving down the highway. As you can see, the install process is fairly easy. It took me 20-25 minutes to install, and it's a great little addition for $40 to help prevent any paint damage from rocks being thrown up, and it gives it a little bit more of a sportier look, and kind of reminds me of like a WRX in my opinion. But thanks again guys for watching. If you found this content helpful, please consider subscribing, and we'll definitely have more videos coming your way.